There it is. Nice. Alright guys, we're back. We're gonna try high stakes in dollar denom. We're gonna start with $1,000 and $25 bets. So we need 3 of these briefcases for the free games. Or where are they? 6 of those chips right there for the lightning link feature. We're at the Cosmo in Las Vegas. Hope everyone's having a great day. You know we are. We're in Vegas, so. Come on, high stakes. There it is. It's a $25 bet bonus. Let's see what we get. Should be a nice one. 250. Let's get a chip, guys. Come on. Oh, nice. Let me move the camera over just a bit. There we go. We're up to 715 so far. Where's the chip? Let's get the chip. All right. Chip. All right. 1,090. Let's get a hand pay out of this. So close. Nice one though. We got 1,090. That works. Let's continue with $25 bets. One more would have been nice there. One more? No. So guys, don't be shy. Leave some comments about what you guys want to see me play. Any requests, shout outs you guys want to hear. Three more? 6 more? Alright, one more spin here, and we're gonna switch denom. Alright, one more. One more just in case. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's try 10-cent denom. Let's continue with $25 spins. Ooh, that's so close. One more, come on. $30. Should be a nice one. $100. There we go. Come on, let's get those chips. That was just teasing us. Oh, major, are you serious? That is $6,600. That would have been nice. All right, a couple more spins here. All right, let's get out of this. Let's try some 50-cent denom. Still $25 bets. Ooh, come on. Come on. You can do it. Don't be shy. Doesn't want to do it, guys. Ooh. Come on. All right, let's go back to the dollar. Let's continue with $25 bets. We're running out of bullets. Come on, high stakes. Really? It just blocked everything. There it is, finally. That other one could have been a hand pay. Let's see if we can get a hand pay on this one. Let's get a chip. Two wasted spins. Oh jeez, come on. Come on, make this one count. Okay. All right. Something with letters would be nice. Last spin. All right. $325. $455. more. Come on. $45. There it is. Nice. All right, guys. Beautiful. Let's continue this. Come on, no stop now. Nice. Beautiful. Very well done so far. Just 4 more. Okay, just 3 more. Well, okay, just 2 more. Let's do it, baby. Ah, last thing. Come on, anything? Oh, too bad. $7.25. Let's do a few backups. One more. Ah, too bad. All right, guys, I'm gonna end it there. We got most of our money back, so I'm thrilled. So there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.